Everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 106 and the name of the lesson is Let's Go to a Restaurant. So before starting this lesson, you are going to do a Hum Saath Saath Hai attendance update as done in previous lessons. The objectives of Let's Go to a Restaurant are that students will be able to learn some common words and expression for describing food and drink and restaurant service. And through role play, students will be able to learn how to order food in a restaurant and other social etiquettes. For the first step, you are going to write the word cuisine on the board and then you will ask the students to pronounce the word. Then you will share the correct pronunciation and now you are going to ask the meaning of the word. After a few responses have been taken by you, you can share that the cuisine is any style of cooking of any particular country. For example, pizza and pasta are Italian cuisines. Noodles, spring rolls are examples of Chinese cuisine. Indian cuisine like dosa and sambar from south and chole bhature from north or litti chokha from east. Now you can ask the students to share their favorite cuisine, and for sharing their favorite cuisine they should be able to make a sentence by using the word cuisine in it. For the second step, you are going to ask the students to review the vocabulary in part A and B of their SAB with a partner. Then as a whole class you are going to discuss a question. The question is, what does a chef do? After the discussion you are going to pronounce the word bowl. And then you will ask another question from the students, and the question is, what is the use of a fork? And are chefs and waiter the same? For the third step, you are going to ask the students to read and understand the flow of conversation in a restaurant from part C with a partner, and they are going to discuss the conversation as a class. The fourth step is presentation time, and for this step you are going to firstly make pairs. Then you will ask each pair to prepare their own conversation between the customer and a waiter. They can take the help of their SRP, and now after they have prepared, you are going to ask the pairs to present their role play in front of the class. For the fifth step, you will be instructing the students to watch the first AV of the lesson and make notes. After all the students have watched the AV, you are going to ask a few questions from the students. The first question is, which career in the hospitality industry did you find interesting and why? And the second question is, what qualities are required to be successful in the hospitality industry? And the third question is, how is FEA developing these qualities? And then you will ask the students to share their responses to the questions. For the sixth step, you will ask the students to check their understanding from the lesson by instructing them to watch the AV2 and complete the exercise given in SRB part D. And once the students have finished their exercises, you are going to discuss the answers as a class. Lastly, you will be acknowledging the students for their hard work and their efforts, and you are going to conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.